friends, welcome back to Uttara Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you go to any Indian restaurant, you will see 6 most popular types of curries: Danshka, Tikka Masala, Saag, Korma, Jalfrezi, and Vindaloo. In today's video, we will be showing you how to make a restaurant-style Okra Korma. This lip-smacking korma pairs very well with any Indian flatbreads, rice, pulao, or even with biryani. To a blender, add tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and green chili. Korma curries are spiced not for their heat, but just for the flavors. Add cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. Add yogurt. Are you wondering why people add yogurt to most Indian curries? Watch this video to the end to find the answer for your question. Grind into a fine paste. Set it aside. To another blender, add rough chopped onion. Cover and grind into a fine paste. Let's prepare a masala mix for our restaurant-style Okra Korma gravy. To the cream, let's add red chili powder. We are using Kashmiri chili powder. This will add a beautiful color to our curry and mild in spice. Turmeric powder, salt, garam masala, coriander and cumin powder. Mix well and set it aside. We have set 2 pans simultaneously to shallow fry okra and to prepare the korma sauce. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil in both pans. You can deep fry okras if you prefer. When oil is hot, add chopped okras to a pan and shallow fry. Gently spread them and shallow fry on medium heat. Let's start making our kurma base. To the oil, add cumin seeds and bay leaves and saute for 45 seconds. Nice aroma is coming. Now let's add the onion paste to it. Stir well and cook on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Occasionally stir okra to avoid burning. It's been 5 minutes and onions have cooked well. Now it's time to add the tomato yogurt paste. Mix well. Cover and cook on low heat for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. The reason for adding yogurt to most Indian curries while cooking is so that the flavors can become deep. They also help in mellowing foods that are too spicy. Now the onion-tomato paste has cooked well, it's time to add in the prepared masala mix. Slowly add the masala mix and stir well. Cover and cook on low heat for 10 minutes, or until the masala is cooked well. Stir occasionally. Add crushed kasuri methi. Add sugar. This helps in neutralizing the acidity from the yogurt and tomatoes. Do you know that cream and yogurt helps distribute the fat evenly on the curries? Okras are fried well. Now it's time to add the vegetable to the korma sauce. Gently mix without breaking the vegetable. cover and simmer it for at least 20 minutes, stirring occasionally for the flavors to blend. Eggplants, paneer, tofu, multicolored bell pepper, cauliflower, and potatoes are some of the vegetables you can use to make this korma curry. Yum! Okra Korma is ready. It's time to transfer to a serving dish. If you're a vegan and want to try this recipe, then you can substitute yogurt with any plant-based yogurt and cream with coconut milk. Garnish with cilantro and enjoy this lip-smacking delicious restaurant-style okra korma with any Indian flatbread. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye.